This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. And Rafi, what are the different technologies? Any technology background do you have?
So I have experience with R. I have
Hmm.
experience with SQL Server. I have
Hmm.
experience with .NET platform, and I have experience with HTML.
Oh,
Uh,
great.
yes, and I'm planning to go more towards Tableau reporting. I'm
Hmm.
actually working on MDMs right now in Allstate,
Hmm.
managing, creating data flows and managing data coming
Hmm.
in and consumed through the MDMs of Allstate data warehouse.
Okay. So overall, I can consider like the database side also.
I believe, yes. Not a
Yes.
completely a lot,
Yeah.
but
No, not required, but you know the importance of the data why we are capturing and all, right?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next, who can take? Thank you, Rafi. Hello, Sachi, Tejashri, Abhinav. Guys, if you are mute or if your mic is not working, please let me know. In the chat also, you can use the chat window to explain it. Hello. Okay. So I think they are unable to talk. So let's start. So today what we are focusing is why we need data basically. What is the need of business intelligence and benefits of business intelligence? Different BI tools available in the market and why we are choosing the Tableau only. What can Tableau done? Who can learn the Tableau? What are the basic requirements you must have or prerequisite for to learn the training we are going to discuss? The job opportunities for Tableau, average pay scale, and we are going to see the live demo on the how to create a Tableau visualization and publish over it. So if you see in today's world, everywhere the data is going. You take any industry, you take healthcare, you take automotive, you take mobile industry, you take any industry. If you go, every industry is collecting data. What is the need of data? We are collecting a data not only just because we have enough space to store the data. The importance of the data is when you collect the data, you can try to bring out a information out of it. You can get a insights from the data and you can make a corrective decision as a wise decision so that your business growth will go in right direction. So the today in the world data is such an important factor happen. You take health industry, many places the people are just analyzing like what type of the disease history he have, what type of health symptoms he have, and based on that they are predicting it. So today data has become very important in every industry, and using the data they are predicting or they are analyzing or they are forecasting the things or they are understanding the behavior of the business. So that's the reason data has become day by day more important. So what is business intelligence then? Business intelligence is we call as a BI tools, many places referred by BI or data visualization or business intelligence. What is business intelligence? As the word is suggesting business intelligence, you are adding a intelligence to your business. How you can continue your business with a very intelligent manner with the help of your data. Data will help you to make a business decisions more wiser, more quicker, more better decisions. You can plan your business properly. You can execute your business properly. You can take a correct decisions on time. So those all the things are supported, not just a BI tool. Behind the scene, it is supported by data. But having a millions of records may create a problem. You cannot go back to the records each one by one and you can analyze. So that's the reason these BI tools has came into picture. What the BI tools are doing? They are simplifying the analyzing. They are enabling the analyzing power to the end user with the help of BI tools. Now, so how exactly we are doing with that? whatever the serious problems underlying in your business that can be eliminated by analyzing your data and presenting the data in a more user friendly with the help of business intelligence tools. So what are the different BA tools? If you see, you can analyzing the gaps in your business, taking appropriate decision, getting the revenue faster or consistent growth in your business, how the business is performing. Those are all the things we can measure with the help of BI tools. So how exactly we are doing all these things? First you are collecting a data, then you are analyzing a data, then you are setting certain goals, then you are communicating how the problems are there, then you are eliminating the problems and improving your business. That's the role of business intelligence tools. So if you see the evolution of the business intelligence tools, earlier in the days, we used to collect the data. Those are the raw data. Then the raw data, what we will do? We will clean it according to our business needs. Then we will create a standard reports. This is something which has been executed last 10 years back or last 50. From last 10 years, we are following the traditional way: collect the raw data, clean the data, and create a report. Then the generation has became where they started saying that why you don't enable the end user the power to filter the data or play with the reports. And that is what the ad hoc reports came into picture. Ad hoc reports and standard reports, developer are defining the report format and all, and end user only viewing the report. Whereas in the ad hoc report, we have given the capability to end user to play with the report fields and columns. And that's where ad hoc report. And slowly the evolution of the BI technology has evolved further, and they have given into one more step that is called as self-service BI. What do you mean by self-service BI? You are enabling the end customer power of BI easily without knowing much technology. That means they are generating the BI reports themselves. That is what self-service BI. And now the world is going towards the agile visualization, where is the dynamically they can do themselves. Then predictive analysis, predictive modeling, optimization, a lot of different things are coming into picture. As someone Rafi knows, R, in the R we are using predictive modeling and all. So those are all the things we can take the benefit of this with the help of upcoming new generation technologies. So what is happened? If you see the life cycle, what happened is a descriptive analytics. Why did it happen? It is called as diagnostic analytics. Then what will happen based on your past data? We are trying to predict what will happen. That is called as predictive analytics. And how can it be? How can we make it happen? That is perspective analysis. So these are different ways the analytics part is growing. So we are having a huge data. Like let's imagine we have a 10 students and you are collecting a marks of 10 students, and based on the total you want to rank the students. Ranking 10 students, you can use the Excel. You can put the 10 student names, their respective marks, and you can sort the data, and you can tell who is the first, who is second, who is third. But when the same 10 students school has converted into college with 100 of students, and then converted into millions of students in university and all, how you can manage such huge data? And that's where the data visualization comes into picture. Data visualizations is converting your data into graphical format or pictorial format. Why we are converting data into graphical or pictorial format? As a human being, we have a high ability to understand the images very quickly. You can see the image and you can grasp the information very quickly, and that will connect to your mind very easily. That's the reason we are converting data into pictorial format, so that you can view it and you can in a glance you can get the information out of the data. We can use bar chart, line chart, pie chart, like this. Different type of charts are there, which we are going to get into in detail in the Tableau training part. That's what the part of the data visualization is. Data visualization is converting your data into visual format to make the decisions quicker, and to interrupt the interpretation of the data will become easier with the help of data visualization. But if you same data, if millions of records, uh, if I present in front of you in in a presentation format of the spreadsheet, it doesn't make any much information. It's really difficult to interpret the data. That's the reason data visualization came into picture. Now let's take about who can take this Tableau training course. Anyone who want to get into data scientist role, or anyone who have a background of data visual BI tools like the MSBI, Crystal Reports, Cognos, such traditional tools, and they want to get into new generation tools like Tableau. Anyone who is having a background of testing professionals, stats, business analysts, project managers who want to get into BI side, or anyone who want to grow towards even the freshers who doesn't have any background on the IT side, even they also can learn the Tableau. These words have been not chosen by my own. This is supported by the Tableau also. That means Tableau is built in such a way that without a background of IT also, one can enter this field and he can start learning a Tableau. So no prerequisite for this. What is a prerequisite for Tableau? If you know Excel, it is excellent. You are understanding how to store what is data and all. So the only thing expectation from the developer is, if you see in this picture, what this guy is doing, he's trying to place a block in logical place, and that's what your role is also. You are trying to get a data and trying to present the data in a logical way, in such a way that end users can easily understand what your report is talking. So that's what a logical ability is enough. No programming background, no SQL or something. Just if you can able to understand the data, if you can play with that, that's enough. It's data visualization tool is simply a drag and drop tool. So what is data visualization tools? What are the different data visualization tools are there? We have Tableau, ClickView, Power BI, like these different tools are there. Now let's talk about ETL first. What do we mean by ETL? ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. Extraction means what? Extracting means getting a data. So ETLs, extraction, transformation, and loading. This is stands for the ETL. Now extraction is getting a data from multiple sources. Now why to get a data from multiple sources? Let's make one small story. Suppose you are running a Reebok shoe a retail shop, and your shops are in different part. Your one shop is there in Redmond, one is there in Seattle, one is there in California, different places your store is available. Now in one store, someone is storing the data, your transactions in Excel file, someone is storing in SQL, someone is storing in Oracle, someone is storing in MySQL. So like these different stores are storing the transactional data in different databases. Now you are a boss sitting in somewhere in India, and you want to analyze how exactly my business is growing overall in Redmond, Seattle, California, different places. How to get how then what is the way? You have to get the data from Excel, you have to get the data from Oracle, you have to get the data from SQL, which is nothing but multiple technologies, multiple ways to fetch it, all these things. It is a headache. That's the reason ETL came into picture. What they will do is they will extract the data from multiple sources. They will do the transformation. Why the transformation is required? Suppose in your one of the store which is in Redmond, they are storing my head office is India. So the Redmond people are storing head office as I. I stands for India. Whereas the people who are sitting at Seattle, they are storing the same head office name. Instead of India, they are storing IND. One more store is there who are storing IN. That means all the different representations for same field head office. I stands for India, IND stands for India, IN stands for India, but the representation of data is different from different people. If that happens, and if you try to generate a report, then you will get in a problem, because everywhere the data representation is different. So how to bring data representation uniquely? You cannot enforce your end customers to follow blah blah things. So what you have to do, after extracting the data, while you have to cross check the data, is it in correct format, is it in standard format? If yes, transfer. If no, change into everyone into India or something, and then finally load into your destination or your warehouse, and from there you can generate a reporting. This is what the traditional way of building a reports. Challenges with the BI tools is, the biggest challenge with the traditional BI tool is last minute change. Last minute change traditional BI tool doesn't accept, because it will be rework efforts are more. Whereas in the new generation tools, because of self BI, drag and drop, and quick generation of the development of the tools, that is enabling lot of real time reporting you can do. You can you need not to waste your time in doing the some changes. Very quickly you can do. Last minute change also acceptable. It will help you to improve the business and improve the decision very quickly. You can share the BA to reports with anyone within the organization or outside the organization very easily. Those all the facilities have been came in new generation tool, which was not so easy in the old generation tools like MSBI or any other Cognos and all. What are the top 3 tools available in the market? We have Tableau, we have Power BI, and ClickView. Tableau, Power BI, ClickView. These are the top 3 tools in the BI industry. We have a lot many tools in the bottom. If you see here, ClickSense is there from ClickView only. ClickView, Dundas BI, like this many tools are there, but these are the top 3 tools. How we are telling these are the top 3 tools based on the data collected by Gartner. Gartner is one of the company which will do the surveys on the different tools industry is accepting. As per the Gartner survey, you can see Gartner in the Gartner survey. Let me explain you what is the Gartner survey first. Gartner survey has divided the data into 4 quadrants: visionaries, niche players, challengers, and leaders. Leaders is top position. If you see during 2012, where is Tableau? Tableau was sitting in the challengers position. By the time 2013 came, Tableau entered into the leaders position, which is the topmost first position in the BI tools. From Gartner Magic Quadrant survey, you can see that from 2012 to 2013, Tableau started entering into leaders position. That is the topmost position, and from there it has started maintaining its position. If you see here, Tableau in 2014, Tableau was in top position. 2015, Tableau was top position in BI tools. There was ClickView, Microsoft, SAS, TIPCO, lot of different MicroStrategy, a lot of different tools was there, but Tableau was maintaining its top position from 2012. If you see 2012, 2013, 2014, same with 2015, Tableau was in the top position. 2016, 2017, Tableau is in the top position. See, now when there is a such a demand is there for BI tools, why other companies will keep silent, especially the Microsoft? Obviously, they are in the competition. In the Microsoft, they had a few other BI tools like MSBI, which is more than 15 or 10 plus years old tool, but it was not so user friendly. And that's why they have brought the one more tool that is called as Power BI. Power BI came into market, and from last couple of years, it is also competing neck to neck to Tableau. And if you see, Tableau and Microsoft technology both are competing each other. But still, Tableau is maintaining first position. So in 2018 also you can see Tableau is maintaining topmost position. So last 6 consecutive years, Tableau is maintaining its first position in the industry of the BI tools. What is Tableau? Now we are entering actually what is Tableau? Tableau is a software which a software for anyone and everyone. It's enabling data visualization for everyone. You can visualize the data very easily with the help of Tableau. Simply you are dropping the fields and you are getting a visualization. Tableau empowers everyone to basically see and understand the data. It is making you even faster, easier and faster, I can call, to make a business visualizations very easily. You can connect with multiple data sources, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, like this different data source. You can explore the data within few seconds. That's the beauty of Tableau. You can simply drag and drop, you will get the data visualization. Within no time, you can create a visualizations. That is what the beauty of the Tableau is. It is an in-memory tool. All these things we are going to get in detail. If you see the Tableau lifecycle journey, it has started from 1997 and it is going on still. A lot of features has came, and now Tableau 10.5 was there, then Tableau 2018 started. So we are in the 2018 Tableau new generation. So what this tool is doing, converting Tableau data or any of the database into visualized format. This is with the help of SQL. So if you see, as the Tableau tool is growing day by day, so if you pick up this tool, you can also easily grow it. What exactly you are doing? You are connecting with multiple sources, you are doing data manipulation, and finally you are loading into visualization. What are the different components available in Tableau? Any questions here till now?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
No, good.
One more question,
good.
like the whatever recording you're doing, you're gonna send it to us, right?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Every session recording is provided. There is nothing copyright concept. Everything is recording is there. Content will be
Okay.
there. Samples, what I am data source I am using, everything will be shared to you guys when I'm in the sessions also, in the demo also.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so let's talk about, when we are talking this much about the Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool. We said it is a topmost tool. Every blah blah things. Then let's talk about Tableau products. What are the different products? Or, or what are the different forms Tableau is available? We have Tableau desktop, we have Tableau server, we have Tableau online, we have Tableau reader, and we have Tableau public. Mobile app is also there. So let us understand each one by one tool, what is their importance. As a developer, what you will do normally, your expectation is connect with the data. That data could be in the form of Excel, could be form of CSV, could be form of Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, any database. Your requirement is get the data from data source and convert the data into graphical format. That could be bar chart, line chart, pie chart, any data visualization and present to customer. So your, as a developer, your duty is to connect the data, create the visualizations. Where you will do all these things, as a developer, your majority of role will play here. In Tableau desktop, you are going to create a visualization. So to create a visualizations, you are using a tool called as Tableau desktop. That is for developers, I can call. Now once the visualization is ready, you want to share to your company employees, maybe your boss, maybe your CEO, or maybe multiple employees. That visualization I want to share. What is the way? One traditional way is what? Send this file as an attachment. Everyone will get the attachment and they have to open it. Now if you send this file to as an attachment, what is the problem? If you send a file with a .doc extension, and if this guy doesn't have Word installed in his machine, will he open? It will not, right? Same way, Tableau visualization, whatever you have built, it will have its own extension. Okay, Tableau workbook. Now this extension file, if we try to open, it will not open. It needs some supporting software. So Tableau has suggested, if I want to share the file to someone and if you want to open, what is the way? You install, suppose you got a bank statement which is in the format of PDF. Now PDF file, if you get in your email box, if you try to open, nowadays browser is also opening, but if you take 5 years back, we have to install one software called as PDF reader, that is Acrobat reader. So PDF reader, if you install on every machine, then everyone can open. If doesn't have PDF reader, that file cannot be opened. Same scenario happens with Tableau also. Tableau file, which is .twv file, when everyone gets, if they try to open, it cannot be opened. So they have to install one particular software, and that software is called as Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader will help you to read the visualizations which was created by Tableau Desktop. Okay, this looks very good, but is the reader is free? Yes. If you charge for reader, then obviously who is interested to open your visualization? Why I have to invest money to just to see your visualization? That's the reason Tableau came with the idea that is Tableau Reader is free of cost, like PDF Reader is a free of cost. So Tableau, this is free, whereas Tableau Desktop is chargeable. It's not free. You have to pay for something, right? So there is a fees for this. Now, this looks very fine if you have a limited resources, maybe 4 or 5 people in your company and you want to share a file, then they will install on every machine the Tableau Reader and they can see the visualization. But there could be one guy or one network on which they cannot install any third-party softwares. In that case, can this guy is this guy able to see the visualization? No. Until unless you install the software, you cannot see it. So for such guys, what is the way? You cannot ask all the 100 candidates in your company to install the software. So alternate way is don't ask end users to install the softwares. Instead of that, host your visualization over the server. Just like you are opening a gmail.com, you're not hosting, you're not installing anything, you are just using a browser, typing gmail.com and you are logging and you are getting the all the website access. Same way, visualization also can host on the Tableau server and you can start accessing it. That is what Tableau server. Then we have a Tableau online concept. What the Tableau online is doing? Tableau online is helping you. Tableau server is on-premises installation. That means within your organization, you have to purchase one server, you have to install the Windows operating system or Linux, and then on top of that, you have to install Tableau server. Then someone have to administrate all these servers. So these are all the tasks you are doing yourself. Tableau has came up with the alternate idea. Why you want to do all this taking a pain of purchasing server and all? We have already configured one server over the cloud. Simply you create an account and you access it. And that is what Tableau online concept. And Tableau public is something which is open to all. Same like cloud, but no, anyone can access, no security and all. So these are the different tools available in the Tableau. Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau online, Tableau public, and Tableau reader. And you are going to, in this training, you are going to learn all these different tools. So basically, your focus will be 99.9% only on Tableau desktop. You will see how to host and all with the help of Tableau server or Tableau online. What are the different tools? We have Tableau product, Tableau server, Tableau online. There is something new tool has came that is called as Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep. Prep is one of the tool which has came for data preparation, which we are going to discuss on this tool also in our training program, which is a newly available tool. So these are the different tools we have discussed: Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau reader. Tableau public, what is used? So anyone can access. Tableau online to host the visualization, Tableau desktop to create a visualization, and Tableau server to host it again. Premises and cloud. You see the average salaries, these are the numbers are changing time to time. You can go through your any portal, job portal sites, and you can understand what is the current salary. On an average, 108 K was going the salary, and this is different. I have taken this information from Indeed. If you take the pricing way, we have different type of accounts are available. Our pricing model is available. One is Tableau Creator, which is $70 for individual users. If you want to access Tableau, you have to pay $70 per month to Tableau desktop and Tableau's Prep you will get, and one license over the Tableau server you will get, or Tableau online. Now, as a student or as a practitioner, do you want to invest this much money, $70 per month? No. For that purpose, I have an alternate way. I will show you in the next session how to get a Tableau complete 1 year free of cost license. So I'm going to configure a Tableau in your laptops in tomorrow's session. where you will get complete 1 year license and you can start enjoying the Tableau for 1 year. So what are the different license models? You have Tableau Creator, Tableau Explorer, and Tableau Viewer. Tableau Creator $70, Tableau Explorer $35, and Tableau Viewer $12. Tableau Viewer means only he can view and interact with the dashboard. Tableau Explorer means explore the data with the full self-service BI analytics. And Tableau Creator, as a developer, you will end-to-end analytics you can do yourself. So these are the different features you can do, you cannot do with the help of different licensing model, Creator or Explorer or Viewer. Certifications wise, Tableau support Tableau qualified associate, certified professional, and delta exam. These are different certifications. I suggest minimum 1 year of time you spend in practicing, then only you can go, at least 6 months of real time experience, then only go for certification. Coming to the hardware requirement, not specific any hardware requirement, because any today's hardware is there, it can support easily, you can install. There is no specific hardware requirement I can call. How does Tableau works? Connecting a data, analyzing a data, and create a visualization and share it. Very simple way. If you see here, connecting a data from different sources, extracting a data, and then creating with the help of Tableau desktop. I'm creating a visualizations. Once the visualization is ready, you can start publishing in the format of PDF, Excel, image, or the same file you can share to end customer, or you can host the visualization over the server, Tableau server, and end users can access with the help of mobile application, browsers, and all very easily without installing anything. That's what the architecture of the Tableau, how exactly Tableau architecture will work out. So if you see, we have discussed this with the help of Tableau desktop, you are creating a visualization, then hosting over the server. End users will access this visualization with the help of iPads, mobiles, or PC. Different mode we can access the visualization. What are the different data types supported in Tableau? We have text data, date and time, numerical, geographical, like different data types available in. So these are the different charts available in Tableau. So all this in detail we are going to discuss in upcoming session. So let me show you the content also what we are discussing. So this is the content of our Tableau. Graphs, joins, multi-joins, hierarchies, sorting in the data, different type of visualization, donut chart, pie chart, bar chart, line chart. So different charts we are doing, and then we are going into advanced topics like data merging part, data sources, different data, waterfall charts, box, motion chart. So these are the complete advanced topics from the data filtering, storyboard creation, dashboard creation, aggregation, calculation. So those are the different parts we are going to do in our Tableau training. So these are the advanced part. This is something which is intro, and then advanced we are going to. So we are going to cover complete end-to-end Tableau part from Tableau visualization, Tableau creation till Tableau hosting. Any questions here?
No, I'm good.
It's so far.
Okay, so if any questions are there, let me know because that's what my plan is.
Also,
So
I'm sorry. Can you send the course detail?
yeah, sure, definitely. I'm in plan to share all these things.
All right, cool.
So complete training has been planned for 20 hours. 20 hours we are going to finish the training. So in completely every day 1 hour we are going to spend, and then everything in topic by topic in detail, in deep dive, the topics are going to get discussed, and it will be purely on the practical perspective. There is no like PowerPoint presentation or something in the training. This is the first and last day you are watching the PowerPoint. Rest of thing, everything we are going to do over the tool only. Open the tool, connect the data source, do it everything practically. Nothing like presenting a PowerPoint presentations and entertaining the session for hours and hours long. Nothing is there. Purely practical scenarios we are going to discuss. Any particular expectation? Please let me know. I can align accordingly.
Okay, so we're gonna practice simultaneously.
I'll share the software. I will do the installation part, everything in tomorrow's session on your laptops. You can share your screen. I can create an environment, and then you can start enjoying the Tableau within your laptops only. And I'm going to give you a license which will be helping you to get the around 1 year. You can use the Tableau free of cost.
And okay, and the project gonna be, you already have a dummy project or something?
I will explain projects also, couple of projects like how to make your resumes, how to project yourself in Tableau and all this. Because if you see, I have trained many candidates and they have placed around 5 years, 6 years experience as a Tableau developer and they have got the jobs. The only thing is how you present yourself, how you can understand the business case. I will give the source where you can start reading there, go understand how the other people are doing BI projects. Try to understand that because you have to make yourself ready for that.
Yes, true.
Any questions, please? So if you see, so these are the different visualizations created in Tableau. I can show it just for the quick glance. So these are different dashboards which are created using Tab. See, this is table, and if you see, these are the different visualizations. Very simple thing will be there. If you want to see only a simple one small example, you want to see category wise sales. So total sales is how much. This is the total sales it will give. Simply drag and drop, no programming. I want to see each category wise sales. Simply drag and drop each category wise sales. So in furniture, this much sales, office supplies, technologies. I want to see the numbers, sales on top of bar. Simply take the sales target and drag and drop over the label. You will see a number scheme. Now some your customer is asking, why don't you color the bars based on the category? Simply take the category, drag and drop over colors, category wise sales. Someone else came and he started saying that, oh, it looks very good, but why don't you give segment wise sales? Just simply drag and drop segment over the columns. Each segment, consumer segment, corporate segment, home segment. Someone is telling that this alignment I am not happy. Can you swap it? Can you change the swapping of this? Yes, you can do it very quickly. That means within no time, I'm giving a lot of information. See, customer in consumer segment, these are the different things, and which is highest, which is lowest, I'm able to do it. Just sort the things, you are able to get answers. That means within no time, you are generating a visualizations, very good looking visualization and very informative. Not only this, if you want to filter a data, you can start filtering. Just like I want to enable the filters based on customer segment. See, simply click here, that's it. Right click and show filter. You can start. I want to see only furnitures. Simply uncheck, see only for furnitures. I want to check, compare furniture with technology. Furniture with technology. I don't want technology. I want office supplies. I'm not doing any changes here. Just selected here and everything is changing accordingly. So how quickly I'm able to play with the data and getting the information. That's what the beauty of Tableau. There's a reason we call as Tableau empowers everyone to see and understand their data faster and quicker because simply drag and drop. That's it. Okay. Any questions here?
No, I'm good.
So we are going to get into deep dive of everything. Just quickly, I have shown you fast a few things, simply drag and drop and all. But we are going to get in detail each and every topic. Okay.
I have a quick question. So
Yes.
you will also show us how to add data, like how to run queries and load the data in the Tableau,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely, absolutely. That is a major part, right? That is the first step.
That is what the major part is.
Yeah, sure. Give me 1 minute. I'm coming. Yes, please. Sorry. Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, Anand. So because
So,
I have some experience with Power BI. Sorry,
hmm,
not Power BI, Oracle BI.
hmm,
So I know how to the business layer and the subject layer and the presentation layer in
hmm,
Oracle BI.
hmm,
I've worked on that. Run
hmm,
it through the Informatica ETL and get the
hmm,
data in.
hmm.
So that is what I was thinking. If we can get more in detail, I believe that will be in the further down the session, right?
Right. Absolutely, absolutely. Rafi, because we, as you know, until unless you have a clean data, there is no point in the visualization.
But
So what
usually,
Tableau? Yeah,
what is the chances? Usually, you don't get this clean data, right?
yeah, no, you cannot expect clean data. That is a thumb rule. You
Exactly.
cannot, and if you imagine also you get a clean data, what is a guarantee in future it will come a clean data? That's the reason we even Tableau has never marketed saying that we are a ETL part. Tableau has marketed saying that we are a data visualization tool. Tableau is a data visualization tool, whereas ETL activities, we go for SSIS or Informatica or data stage, many ETL tools available in the market, right?
Yes.
So if you see the Power BI also, if you see many BI tools are standing for the business intelligence only. They are not talking on data cleaning and all. But to make a market competition, they started telling that we support ETL data cleaning also. But what level data cleaning? Not up to the level what our real-time industry expects. So that's the reason we always expect in these data visualization projects, the ETL guy will be there with us. He will make a data ready for us, and then we will start converting the data into visualized format.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. But even Tableau says we can do our ETL part with the help of Tableau prep. And before Tableau prep, let me show that also. I can let me show.
You said
Actually,
someone else will convert the data for us.
yeah, in the projects we have to plan accordingly only when it is a big project. But
What type
in
of
Tableau,
person?
but if you take a big project, but I can show how to connect the data and all. Tableau has simplified the data connections very easily. So let me show it. So see, once you launch the Tableau, you are going to get like this screen. This screen talks about connect. You want to connect with what? What type of data? If it is a file system, file systems are like Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, any of these files. You want to extract data from files, or you want to get the data from servers like Oracle server, database, or MySQL database, or SQL server, or you want to get the data from database, RDMS, or not only this, if you click more, lot many different data sources you are seeing here, right? So Tableau has simplified the connection way also, how to get the data from these sources. Now let me give one small example. I want to get the data from Excel file. Simply click on Microsoft Excel and point to the Excel where exactly Excel is available. So Tableau training and demo. Okay, I will take one Excel and I'm getting extracting data from that Excel. See, it shows this Excel having three tabs: orders, returns, and users. Simply take the one of the tab and drag and drop. Those who have a database idea, they can understand these. Like in database, we will have multiple tables, right? Database is nothing but collection of tables: students table, departments table, something, users table, returns table. So which table you want to analyze, simply select and drag and drop here. You will see a preview of data. Everything looks fine. Then you can click on the sheet one. That means I want to create a visualization on top of this. Click on the sheet one. That's it. Your visualization part starts. Now I want to see each total sales how much. Simply total, drag and drop the sales. This is my total sales. I want to see number. So what you have to do? Simply sales and lab. This is my total sales. I want to see each category wise sales. Simply select the category and drag and drop category wise sales. Furniture this much, office supplies this much, technology this much. I want to see each category different colors. Simply drag and drop the different colors, drag and drop. Now I want to see in category subcategories. So simply select subcategory and drag and drop next to this. We'll get into all these details in coming session. So each subcategory wise sales. I want to see this orientation. I can orient it. Same way I want to see the maps also. I want to see like state wise sales. So what I will do, state points. Each state how much sales I have got. Simply select the states, drag and drop. A map is automatically Tableau is creating. I want to see the sales of this. Each state how much sales. I want to give different colors to each state. Simply drag and drop. Each state having different color. So like this, I can create a visualizations. Once the visualization is ready, I can create a dashboard. So dashboard is nothing but collection of visualizations. In one location, I am placing everything, and in this way, we can present to customer. And once everything is ready in a tablet desktop, you want to publish over the server. So simply come here and click on the publish workbook. Sign into your server and publish it. So those are all the details we are going to discuss in upcoming sessions.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all from demo perspective. In tomorrow's session, we are going to do first thing is installation on everyone's Tableau machine, because I expect every session you have to do next day only. You have to practice. You should not wait for longer time, because we are getting into complete practical side. It's not like some theory I'm explaining and then we are entertaining on that theory and then we are doing practical of 5 minutes. Not like that. No presentations. Everything is a practical only. If any questions are there, let me know. Otherwise, I can wind up the session here. And we are at on time 7:59. We are trying to close within a time.
Yep. All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
Any questions do you have? Or training is 20 hours, and we are going to share the table of content for this training. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Have a great day. Yes, please. Someone is trying to ask something.
No.
Okay. Okay, then. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks for attending and giving a time to understand Tableau. Thank you. Have a great day.